Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a custom RPC, a new network. So I'm going to be adding Binance Smart Chain. This is underneath my own personal metamask. So we're going to go to custom RPC and click on that. And it's going to bring you up to your network name, new RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer URL. So I have on a website here underneath medium.com, it explains how to set it all up, and it gives me the information that I need to set up the BSC mainnet. The link will be in the description so that you can click on that and add BSC mainnet to your MetaMask wallet. So we're going to look at BSC mainnet. We're going to type that in, BSC mainnet, just as it's showing. And then we're going to type in this HTTPS BSC. And if you go up, you will see it right here. So you can just copy it. And then go back to your MetaMask, and you're going to paste it in here. I'm going to take out any of the spaces that we accidentally copied. Okay, we're good. We're going to go to chain ID. And the chain ID, you're going to write in 56. 56. And we're going to write in BNB, because that is the main token for BSC mainnet, and the block explorer, which is bscscan.com. So I've already typed it in, so it's coming up here. I'm going to go there, and I'm going to hit save. And now I just added it to my MetaMask. So now, when I go into my drop-down networks menu, I will have BSC mainnet.